Lovelies, I promised you an update. You ready? So hi hubby.
Hello.
We're shuffling boxes so I can get to my cupboards and my desk so I can sort of get my little configuration and then start unloading. So it's a bit of a mess at the moment. But getting there. I can see my cupboards
today.
I can see my cupboards today. So
we're filming 2 videos. One on her channel, one on mine.
alright, we'll see. Alright, so be back soon. So I have a desk, well I have a little 2 desks. I have my shelves and all the boxes are over here and whatnot, but I've trodden on a drawing pin and a screw and killed a spider the size of my hand, so it's definitely time for a break. Be back real soon. Back again. So for the most part my shelves are done. So they're pretty messy. Maybe I'll neaten them up, but then again maybe not. All that's missing is my paper because that's always the last thing on because I hate sorting it out, but it's all in a tub there. Well, actually I've got 2 tubs. My desk is not done. All these boxes are for my desk. So if you can see, I've got a desk there and a desk there. So I've made myself like a little L. All those boxes are for my desk. So I don't know how that works out, but anyway. So I'll get to that and then, yeah, I'll clean it up a bit and let you see how it turns out. Okay, so who wants an update? It's pretty messy, but it's functional. So I've set my desk up. It always looks like a mess when I set it up just because I have so much crap. So yeah. So what I've done, I'll turn around and I'll show you. So what I've done is I've set up 2 desks, which is what I had last time, just the desks were the other way around. I had my computer here. At the moment it's inside, but without all my other stuff, my clip it up and everything, I can actually put my Cameo and my photo printer out. So that's what I'm going to do over there. I'm going to leave that like that. I've got my mixed media cupboard next to it, and then I've got my desk. Now, I had an extra cupboard and everything at the old house, so my paints and everything and what's left in those boxes was all in the cupboard, so I've had to make do with what I've got. So it's all on my desk. I've got my 2 shelves back in there. So this is basically going to be my little corner. I'll try and get through because it's still pretty full in here. So this is my little corner. So essentially, this is my new scrap room. What do you think? So yes, I'm in the garage. It is still full of crap. Nowhere near done, but look, I've even had to go over here a bit for my junk journals and things. But basically, this is where I'm going to be. It's not perfect, but it's functional. It'll do me now until I figure out. So like, as always, this part annoys me. It's too messy. But for now, it'll do. I can use my desk. So until I, do we ever find craft room peace? No, we don't. So for now, it'll do. It does the job and I'm happy. So I can use my desk. I have space. I have desk space. Let's see how long that lasts. But yeah, so basically, I'm good to go. That only took me, what time did I start? I think I started that at about 1 o'clock today, with a fair few breaks, and it's like 9:30 now. Obviously that wasn't going from the get-go. But look at that, in a day, I have a functional art space. So that's not bad. Pretty happy with that. So, hope you haven't been too bored with my video. Me complaining about stepping on thumbtacks and killing spiders and whatnot. It's not perfect, it's not even neat, but it's functional. That's going to be our word. It's functional. So at least I can use it. At least I can see my stuff and get to my stuff. So obviously it'll be an ongoing work in progress. But for now, I can use my area and all my supplies. So that's what matters. So thanks for watching. I'll be back real soon with a real video now that I can record again. Bye for now.